Hello viewers, today we will discuss the topic authority of an agent. Agent's authority and the power to bind the principal. A principal does not give an agent unlimited authority to enter into any contract on the behalf of the principal. There are the limits on the authority of an agent that restricts the type of the agreement that the agent can enter into, and the principal is only bound to honor agreements and that the that the agent makes within the limits of the authority. And when the third party deals with an agent who does not have the authority to make the transaction, the principal may or may not be bound by the such transaction as it depends upon the knowledge of a third party regarding the authority of an agent. Agent's authority and the power to bind the principal. And an agent Akmal is acting on the behalf of a principal Paris. He enters into a contract with another party, Tariq, starting that he is acting as agent for the Paris. However, Akmal has authority acted outside his authority. Paris refuses to carry out the terms of a contract. In this situation, the agent Akmal would be liable to both the third party Tariq and to the principal for the breach of the warranty of the authority. However, there might be problem to identifying the authority of a particular agent. These arise mainly when an agent makes an agreement under another with another party, and the other party generally believes that the agent has the necessary authority, but in fact the principal has not given the agent that authority. The authority of an agent to act on behalf of a principal may be any of the following types of the authority: express authority, implied authority, and ostensible authority. What is the express authority? An agreement is expressed if both the parties, by words spoken or written, agree to create an agency relationship. A written agency agreement may give the agent express authority. Express authority is not unlimited power to do anything on the behalf of a principal. The principal should specify what tasks that the agent is required to perform, and what power and authority the agent can exercise. If an agent subsequently acts outside the limits of express authority, this will affect the contractual relationship between the principal and the third party. In such a situation, express authority does not exist, but there may be the implied authority or ostensible authority. The legal consequences will depend on whether the third party knew that the agent was acting outside the limit of his authority. Example: Paris appointed Azam as his agent to sell his house by written power of attorney. Azam sold the house to Tariq. Azam had express authority, and the transaction is binding on Paris. Express authority. Paris appointed the Atif as agent to sell the goods his shop की by the verbal agreement. Atif said that Atif sold the goods. Atif had expressed actual authority, and the transaction is binding on the Paris. Employed authority. Implied authority is authority of an agent in the excess of his excess express authority, for example, which is inferred from the circumstances of the case. The scope of an agent's authority may be increased by the employed authority. Unless the third party has knowledge to the contrary, he is entitled to assume that an agent holding a particular position has all the powers that are normally given to a person in such a position. Ostensible authority. Ostensible authority, also called the apparent authority, is an aspect of the agency by estoppel. Ostensible authority arises in the two ways. Where a person makes a representation to third party that another person has the authority to act as his agent, even though he has not actually been appointed as agent. Where a person has previously represented a third party that another person has the authority to act as his agent, and the authority was subsequently taken away, yeah, ended, but the third parties who previously dealt with the agent have not been informed of this fact. A person who is agent by the estoppel has the ostensible authority that would be assumed for any